Next, Nana, I discuss. Okay. Next, Nana, I discuss the problem number 7. Very important, Nana. Look here. Here, this is the horizontal surface. Here, body is there. Okay. Here, body is there. Here, Nana, I apply force. The force is 25 newtons. Body initially at A, because of applying force, it moves A to B. After a time is 0.2 seconds. Okay, 0.2 seconds. Here, initially body at rest. Here, find velocity. This is the question. Here, F can see F equal to ma. But according to data, A write as kinematic first equation V minus U by T. Here, F value is 25, M is okay, V is okay, U 0, T value is 0.2. Finally, MV value is 25 into 0.2. Finally, write 5. Look here. Next, here. Body moves. Here again at B. Some force is applied, that is 70 newtons in the same direction. Then body moves B to C. Here final velocity V dash is given. V dash value is 24. Here determine what is the mass of the body. This is the question. In the situation, look here. B to C, time is given 0.1 second. Here again apply the force formula F equal to ma. According to kinematic first equation, A write as V minus U by T. Here F value is 70. Okay. Mass is unknown. Here V final velocity, here V dash. Initial velocity is V. Time is given 0.1. In the situation, B initial velocity V, final velocity V dash. Here 70 into 0.1, 7. M into V dash minus M into V. But MV value is final. Here other side, neatly write as 7 plus 5 equal to MV dash. 12 equal to M. V dash is given 24. M equal to 12 by 24. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is 0.5 kg. Okay? Next problem, Anna. Very important problem. 10th problem. The problem number 10, Anna. Initially, balloon is float. Question is, initially balloon floats. Here, weight always vertically downwards. Because of air friction, force of buoyancy acting upward. In the situation, float means downward force equal to upward force. Simply, FB equal to mg. Here, mass of the balloon is given 1000 kg. G means G. This is the force of buoyancy value. Next keyword in the problem, 100 kg air is removed from the balloon. 100 kg remove, remaining is 900 kg. Weight mg 900 g. Force of buoyancy act upward. What is the force of buoyancy value? Equation 1000 g. Okay. In the situation, upward force is more. That's why balloon rising upward with acceleration A. Here, F net equal to upward force minus downward force 900 G. Here, what is the FB value? 1000 G. What is the year? 900 G. Finally, what? 100 G. Okay, 100 G. Here, Newton's second law F equal to ma. Here, A can be determined. A can be determined. Here, 100 kg remove. Remaining is 900 A. Left side, 900 A. Right side, G value write as 9.8. Neatly write as A equal to 980 by 900. It neatly write as finally we get 1.09. Hold. The problem number 11. The problem number 11. The problem number 11 is horizontal speed of jet of water is 100 centimeter per second. Here 50 centimeter cube of water hits the plate each second. Assume the water moves parallel to plate after striking. This is the plate ORR valve. Here water pushing the plate and drops dead and cannot be rebound. It not rebound. This is the keyword in the problem. In the situation, force exerted by the water on the plate is how much? What is the Newton's second law in terms of momentum? dP by dt. Here dP means change in momentum. Not rebound. Final momentum is 0. Only initial momentum is there by dt. Momentum definition, mass into velocity by dt. Here mass into velocity, mass write as according to data, volume into density V by dt. Okay, volume is given but density is not given. This is the water nana. Density of water value CGS in 1, in SI 1000. Hold. Problem number 13 nana. Very important problem. Look here. This is the disc nana. This is the disc. Here this is the bullet. Bullets firing from using gun nana. Here bullets strike the disc. Keyword in the problem is disc floats. Disc floats. Okay, what happens to the disc nana? Floats. Okay, disc floats nana. Here its meaning is disc float means downward force equal to upward force. Here downward force is weight of the disc, because float means equilibrium. Equilibrium means upward force equal to downward force. Downward force due to weight of the disc balances the upward force because of firing. That means force acting on the bullets. Upward force due to bullets, downward force due to weight of the disc. Both are balanced, then disc is floating. Very important here. Mass of the disc nana. Here look here nana. Mass of the disc is given 0.5. G value we know that 10 is given in the question. Force acting on the bullets. Force acting on the bullet means F equal to ma. Mass of bullet Here acceleration write as kinematic equation v minus u by t. Here 0.5 into 10 is 5. Here mass of each bullet is given 5 gram. 5 gram. Gram means 10 power minus 3 kg. And again here velocity of the striking bullet can be determined. That means one v is given, other v is here. The question is, after striking the disc, bullet drops dead. Drops dead means return velocity 0. Simply one velocity 0, so only one velocity is remain. Whole by here time is given, Nana. Time is given here. This is the mass of one bullet. Similarly alanti bullets ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి n. Here n by t is given. Number of bullets firing per second is given 10 Nana. Look here. Okay. According to these calculations to determine velocity. Here once again I repeat, force acting on the bullet is m into a. A means v minus u by t. Here the bullet cannot be rebound means final velocity becomes 0. Simply mv by t. This is one bullet mass nana. Alanti bullets n unnai. N is nothing but the number of bullets. In this situation to determine v. Close.